The intent of this video is to make an impact on our lives so that we can introspect on ourselves. During these uncertain times, we see people, including us, blaming others for the occurrence of this pandemic and its spread. So I am going to take you guys down this memory lane where everyone can decide who is at fault. There is always a slow negative impact on the environment, but when we had the first industrial revolution, it did bring various health hazards to the families living close to the industrial sources. During this period, there was an increase in air and water pollution. When we talk about sustainability, there are three pillars that are important, which are social, economic, and environment. The Industrial Revolution was more about economic strengthening. This was a benchmark for the coming centuries as the industry was growing. The basic idea of sustainability is to use the resources based on the required needs, which doesn't mean we stop using the resources. Starting from having food to the standards of living, everything should be sustainable. When we talk about food, there is always a debate about what to eat and what not to eat, whether vegetarian or non-vegetarian dishes. But everyone forgets the basic need is not wasting food. For instance, if you are consuming something from nature, you need to ensure that it's not getting wasted. Currently there are researches going on animals such as featherless chicken are introduced by genetic modification so that the feathers are not needed to be removed for consuming, which is totally against nature and makes it unsustainable. The worst affected on this earth are animals due to our activities, starting from the introduction of zoos to capturing their natural habitats and exploiting them cause we paid for the land, but they are the ones who actually paid the price. This pandemic made us understand how staying locked in one place affects our mental health. Thus we need to take care about the animals who can't raise their voice. Talking about exploiting, in the last few years, we humans went extra miles to make the nature take drastic steps. Humans control population of animals. For instance, conservation of tigers. On the other hand, in Australia, approximately 90 million kangaroos were killed in the past 20 years due to overpopulation, even though kangaroos are their national animal. The point is that it is inhuman. Moreover, the biggest overpopulation in this world is of humans. It is very important to have population control measures because it is the main factor for having sustainable environment. The point is not to kill someone but to take individual responsibility for a healthy future. In this world, there is no such thing called waste. Everything has its consequences, either positive or negative. It is important that from what perspective we see things, because we can be the change that is needed for the world to change. Thank you.